Welcome to another exciting learning journey. In this module, we'll delve into the intricacies of Salesforce Object Query Language, SOQL in Apex. By the end of this unit, you'll be a maestro in crafting SOQL queries and harnessing their power within your Apex code. To read records from Salesforce, the first step is crafting a query. Salesforce provides SOQL, a customized version of SQL for the Lightning platform. Thanks to Apex's direct access to Salesforce records, you can seamlessly embed SOQL queries in your code, referred to as inline SOQL. Writing a basic SOQL query involves selecting fields and specifying the object to retrieve records from. The where clause is optional, but let's start with a simple query retrieving accounts and their name and phone fields. To narrow down results, you can add conditions in the where clause. This helps when you want specific records that fulfill certain criteria. Let's dive into examples of filtering query results with conditions. By default, query results are not ordered. However, you can add an order by clause to sort the returned records based on a specific field. Let's explore how you can order query results in SOQL. If you only need a subset of records, you can use the limit clause to specify the number of records returned. This is handy when you don't need all records, but only want to work with a specific number. Let's see how to limit the number of records returned in a query. Records in Salesforce often have relationships. With SOQL, you can query related records efficiently. Whether it's getting contacts associated with an account or exploring other relationships, SOQL makes it easy. Let's dive into querying related records. When dealing with a large data set, it's essential to manage records efficiently. SOQL for loops allow you to include a SOQL query within a loop, providing a way to retrieve records in batches. This not only avoids heap size limits, but also allows you to work on batches of records. Let's explore SOQL for loops. Congratulations! You've now mastered the art of SOQL queries in Salesforce. Whether you're executing queries in Apex, using the query editor, or embedding them in your code, you're well equipped to navigate and retrieve Salesforce records efficiently. In the Developer Console, open the Execute Anonymous window from the Debug menu. Take account reference with necessary value. Write insert command, then save the ID in an ID type variable. Create contact references with necessary data. Set the ID to account ID. Write the insert command. Again, take another account reference and insert. Click Execute. Go to File and click Open. Select Objects and select Account. Select the fields you want to display. Then go to the query editors and click Query. The query will be automatically generated. Finally, you can see the newly created accounts. In the Developer Console, go to the Query Editor. In the Query Editor, write the SOQL query to get 10 recent accounts where the number of employees is greater than 25. Click Execute. Finally, you can see the accounts according to condition. Again, write the SOQL query to get all accounts' names and phones by ordering desks. Click Execute. Finally, you will get to see all the accounts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce customization tips. Check out the description below to connect with us. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.